Hello and welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be cleaning these rubber floor mats. Look how dirty they are. Got rocks and all sorts of grass inside there. We're going to clean this and make it look brand new. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're just going to rinse this out like this. So we can get a lot of the loose stuff out. So that looks a lot better. So now what we're going to do is we are going to use our all-purpose cleaner. So you can use any all-purpose cleaner you want or any degreaser that you've got. So we're just going to spray that there and then we're going to agitate with the brush. And what we're going to do with the brush, so you can see me going up and down, then going to go left and right and try to get as many angles as possible. So we can agitate and get rid of as much dirt as we can. Then after that's done, we then rinse it off. You can see how much dirt is coming off. Excellent. We're going to get rid of the excess water, try and drain it out as much as possible. So now essentially we have a clean rubber floor mat. However, we're not quite done. We're just going to dry off all the water here. Okay, so I've used compressed air there to dry it off. You can use whatever you want. You can use a towel, you can even drip dry it, hang it out on the clothesline if you want, or you can use a blower, whatever you want to do, but just try to get this as dry as possible for the next step. So you can essentially leave it like this if you want. It is nice and clean, it's going to look good. However, we do want to go to that next step here on this channel, and what we're going to do is we're going to dress it. Now, you can use a number of different things. You can use a tire dressing, you can use a trim restorer, whatever you want to use. I'm using a tire dressing today. And basically what we're going to do is just spray this on, try and cover it. Oh, running out. And essentially, we're going to get our brush. We're just going to go over and spread it out nice and evenly across the floor mat. Try to get in every nook and cranny. So now we're just going to buff the excess off with a microfiber towel and even out the dressing. You don't want to have it too much. It does look a little bit cheap if it is too much. Basically what we want to do is just have a nice shine on it, but not too much that it's in your face and almost looks a bit cheap. So a lot of grooves here that I'm just trying to get my finger in. Now, the tyre dressing that I've used today is a super shiny tyre dressing, which I thought would be good for the floor mats. It is also good coming from a spray bottle. A lot of the tyre dressings come in a bottle where you got to squeeze out the product. But for the floor mats, I thought that having a spray bottle or even an aerosol can is definitely good for it, rather than squeezing and doing it all manually. It does take a little bit extra time. All right, so there we go. Nice and clean. So it only took a couple of minutes, but the difference is palpable. So we've gone from this to this. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you can, please like, comment, and subscribe on the channel. It really helps my channel. If you do want to see more videos like this, let me know. Yeah, that's how we clean our rubber floor mats. Thanks for watching.